Okay, Waves, here's the video. I want to show you what these plugins are doing. That's happening on the Mixcentric, pretty much all the vocal plugins, and this one too. So I'm going to play this song. I know it's not great without the plugin on, and you can hear the difference. So that's with the plugin off, and I want you guys to see with the plugin on, and I'll make sure I'll turn everything down and watch this. As you can see, you can't do a damn thing, and then nothing but noise no matter what the setting is at. So the strange thing is that, let's just say for example, I'm going to test this and I'm going to go ahead and just apply it anyway. And I know you guys don't support Audacity, but this happens in Logic Pro also. I just don't have it open right now. So it's going to take 5 minutes or whatever to apply it, but it doesn't, all this staticky, jumpy noises are gone once I get the final version. And once it's applied the plugin, but it's doing the same thing in all of my DAWs, Studio One 3, Logic Pro, and just testing it right now in Audacity. So anyway, you asked for a video, and I'm going to send this with the support ticket. Thank you. Anyways, okay, I just wanted to show you, so from the last video, we just applied this plugin, and I just want to show you, because I'm going to go ahead and disable show you what it's like. So I'm going to disable the plugin, and I'm just going to play this for you, and you can tell. Alright, here we go one more time. So you get a voice section in here, but I just want to show you that. So this is after applying, by the way, after applying. Alright, so in this case, I just applied this plugin, and that's what it sounds like when after applying the plugin, but with the plugin, so it's off right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on and just show you. Let's just put this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on full reset, so you guys can see that the plugin is on full reset. And I'm gonna enable the plugin here, and let me show you what it sounds like. So strangely enough, after applying the plugin and relaunching the plugin, it will sounded like the first time, and now re-enabling it seems to have, it seems to be okay. But I don't understand exactly why we have so many issues. If I close it and launch it again, I want to say that we're going to have the same problem. But in this case, let's just to be safe, I'm just going to try your Mixcentric plugin, which is one of the other ones that I have this happen to all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and run Mixcentric, and let's see what happens with that one. And I'm also sending this video to Apple because, as you can tell, the computer does not seem to be running very well, although doesn't seem to be a driver issue, which is what your the Waves tech seem to want to indicate, or some kind of card issue, which this is a Mac Mini and there is no card that I know of. So in any case, let's check to see what the Mixcentric does, just so we can tell. One also thing that's kind of annoying, it really is, when you're on the plugin, it does this in Studio One, it does this in all of them, where it will just launch the mouse up here to the left hand corner. Did you guys see that? All of a sudden it just jumps up there for no reason, and I don't know why that happens, but it's super annoying. Well, let's seems to be doing better, but I can't figure out exactly why when the plugin is first opening, you know, it just happens randomly. I can't tell when it's going to happen, or, you know, initially I thought I wasn't going to apply these plugins because I figured what I was hearing was what the product was going to sound like, but even when it does sound distorted and messed up like the first video, yeah, after applying the plugin it seems to be fine, but launching and relaunching the plugins, I'm not sure exactly what's going on with this, and I wish, anyway, alright guys, I was just giving you a little video of what's been going on with these plugins. Having some strange issues, you know, and again, this affects pretty much all of the Waves plugins that are the vocal ones, the CLA, Eddie Kramer, Maserati, really all of them, the vocal plugins. I haven't noticed it with any of the other ones, but the vocal plugins, yeah, these are, I don't know what's going on with this. Alright guys, alright, thank you, and I'll be sending these videos with my ticket. Thank you. Okay Waves, I just wanted to show you guys that it's not just the Greg Wells stuff that's giving the problems. So we've got a clean file here. You guys can hear that, right? Sounds pretty good. Now, enabling the plugin sounds like a giant mess. So we'll go ahead and stop the plugin and I'll show you again. Plugin disabled. I'm just going to make sure, and I'll turn everything down just to show you guys. Everything down. Sound like Satan's butthole, doesn't it? What the heck is this crap? Alright guys, sorry, but I gotta look into this. Okay guys, just in case I didn't give you enough evidence, here's just one more to show you the Mixcentric doing the exact same thing. So, as you can hear, click sounds fine right here. And let's try the plugin. And what do we get? Garbage. And I just want to show you that it's not the plugins in general. So for example, I'm going to use an Antares plugin. So I will show you an Antares plugin working just fine. Antares. Alright, let's try this one, see what it does. And no frickin' problems. Alright, so don't believe that one. Let's try another one then. How about, sure, why not? Let's try Blue Cat. Just frickin' fine. How about another plugin? What else we got here? Let's find some more. This is fun. Alright, I got tons of plugins as you can see. How about, let's just try one of these from my recorder. No problems. And just to show I'm not totally biased against Waves, because I love you guys, but your plugins are killing me right now, I'm going to try, let's try another plugin from you guys. How about Max Bass? Let's see what that does. No problems. try a couple more Waves plugins just to show you it's not my freaking computer. Alright, let's try Waves. Alright, I'm going to try Arvox. Arvox, stereo, Arvox. Well, doesn't look like it's my computer or my plugins, but it's all of those vocal plugins, huh? The ones I was trying to use. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna send this. Please get back to me. Okay guys, just in case I didn't give you enough evidence, here's just one more to show you the Mixcentric doing the exact same thing. So, as you can hear, click sounds fine right here. And let's try the plugin. And what do we get? Garbage. And I just want to show you that it's not the plugins in general. So for example, I'm going to use an Antares plugin. So I will show you an Antares plugin working just fine. Antares. Alright, let's try this one, see what it does. And no freaking problems. Alright, so don't believe that one. Let's try another one then. How about sure, why not? Let's try Blue Cat. Just frickin' fine. How about another plugin? What else we got here? Let's find some more. This is fun. Alright, I got tons of plugins as you can see. How about, let's just try one of these from my recorder. No problems. And just to show I'm not totally biased against Waves, because I love you guys, but your plugins are killing me right now. I'm gonna try, let's try another plugin from you guys. How about Max Bass? Let's see what that does. No problems. Alright, let's try a couple more Waves plugins just to show you it's not my freaking computer. Alright, let's try Waves. I'm going to try Arvox. Arvox, stereo, Arvox. Well, doesn't look like it's my computer or my plugins, but it's all of those vocal plugins, huh? The ones I was trying to use. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna send this. Please get back to me. So I'm gonna add this video as an addendum. I'm gonna send this to Melda Productions because I'm starting to think that their plugins are having a big impact and maybe the reason why I'm having my issue. So for Melda, the issue is basically that I'm having distorted playback and just sounds really bad while the plugin is running, and sometimes it is affecting the final file. It's been affecting a lot of the Waves plugins, and I'll attach those also, but those videos also. But if you will look at this, I will show you here. So right now I've got the auto volume open. I've already sent a couple of emails to you guys about the issue where using this morphing right here will crash. I know I'm using Audacity right now, but I've been trying to use it in Logic Pro and Studio 3 also. So in this case, I will play, let's just, I have to play it first. Alright, so we'll play the file and then I'll show you the nasty sound when I try to do this. So you hear how bad that sounds. So I'm going to try to apply this and I'll show you. Okay, now I'm going to stop the file right now because I just want to show you. I'm going to take off the plugin and just show you playing it without the plugin. So that we can tell the plugin is doing something nasty to it. Once again, I'm going to try to get a little lower volume so you can hear it. I'll play it without the plugin now. And now with the plugin. So now with the plugin, I'll play it and show you. Alright, so I was just going to adjust the volume over here, but that's okay. Alright, so we'll enable the plugin this time and play it again. Okay, now that's not what the volume plugin is supposed to be doing. Now I think the problem is also I'm applying this plugin, so I'm running this early in my editing, and what I'm finding is that any other plugin I try to run later, so in this case I've only run two Melda plugins on this file, which was Auto Align, and then I ran the Auto Volume. But for Melda, I want to show you how it seems to be affecting other things. So I already applied Auto Align, and that's when this junk started. So I'm going to try to run, in this case, I'm going to run a Waves plugin just to show you guys that it seems to be affecting other things. So I'm going to run this voice plugin that's really having problems because of this, and I can almost guarantee you that it's going to do that same thing now. If it doesn't completely crash it. In this case, it looks like it's going to crash or not run at all. Okay, so now it's running, and sounds like somebody crawled in the butthole of Satan or something. Listen to this crap. Plug it on. Plug it off. Plug it on. Plug-in crashed. And completely crashed everything. And so let's see, I'm going to get a widgets pop up. So I'm sending this to the Audacity team because this is what I've been telling them about. In any case, we'll wait for the crash report to come up just so I can show these guys. But Melda, Waves, yeah, as you can see, you guys are not playing well with each other. I'm going to get my program to come up eventually. Let me show Audacity. And Audacity, guys, I'm not even getting the widgets pop-up thing anymore, so we'll see if Audacity even wants to open. And of course it's beach balling. Well, good. It's going to let me try and recover. Of course, there'll be the error every time. Go ahead, file inconsistency error. I'm waiting for that. Alright guys, in any case, well, get the point. This is mostly for Audacity, but I just wanted to show you immediately after I turn off the video. Of course, this popped up, of course. So I have this great little thing here, and we see it's always the same freaking error. Okay, so I don't know what to tell you guys, but this is getting out of control. Alright, so we're gonna hit OK. It doesn't seem to matter. So now we're back into the program, and let's just run. Alright, well, it looks like that's going okay. Let's just curious to see if the plugins are messed up now. Let's try a couple different ones. I just want to show you guys that it's not just my computer, because I am able to run other plugins fine. For example, let's try this Antares plugin. Now, Audacity, you guys this program seems to be completely stalling out the computer. I don't have the activity monitor open, but even though it's not showing a whole lot onto the CPU, it's obviously doing something. I mean, I'm getting sick of looking at the beach balls. And okay, so plugins are up, and I just want to see if this does anything. I haven't noticed the same issue with any of the other plugins, but the ones I mentioned. And this one, it's a slight warping of the sound. I can hear that, but nothing like what I was getting with the other ones. And I just also want to show you guys that it's not all Waves plugins that are doing this. For instance, let's try this one. So we have the Ultra Maximizer. Let's see what happens. Beach ball, beach ball, beach ball. Okay, so the Maximizer is open. Let's just do it, whatever. Well, so you can see it's not all Waves plugins. As far as I know, I have to check with Waves, but they would be all using the same type of plugins. I don't think they would install Mix of VST and AU. So again, this is Waves version 9 and Melda version 1918. And yeah, so just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that just for hell of it. And then I'm gonna open up another Melda plugin, so we're gonna wait about 20 seconds here. Well, it's going the wrong direction. I do want to say I've got the buffer rate should be the highest setting. I do see that my project rate is not showing what I would like it. I usually run it with the 89. Looks like default it jumps to the 44.1 or 48 on my other computers, but again, this is all really happening only on the Apple. Look, the Windows are not really doing that. Alright, so we're going to try another Melda plugin and let's see what happens. Let's get one that I own. Okay, I own this Auto Dynamic EQ. Let's try this. This one was also giving me issues. We've got the plugin up, and let's just run. sounds that came out of the bowels of hell. And then sometimes it'll crash, but I'm just trying to do the morphing. And it sounds like crap. Crap, crap, crap. So plug-in on, plug-in off. Plug-in on, plug-in off. Alright, just for one more time I'm going to show another Waves plug-in. Let's try something different this time. How about we try Eddie Kramer vocals. Alright, let's try that one. Beach ball, beach ball, beach ball. Alright, so we're just gonna load a full reset. So just normal setting, full reset. Plugin is now enabled. Let's just, okay, plugin is now disabled, just to show you guys. I'm gonna play it without the plugin. Okay, plugin on. Bowels of hell. So, of the 3 companies I'm sending this to, I would really like somebody to explain to me what the hell is going on with this. Especially you guys, Waves, since your plugins are so goddamn expensive. Thank you. Have a good day.